This is the trail to the petrified log, which I assume is going to be around the corner somewhere. Trail diverges here. And you might ask, what's a petrified tree remnant doing here in the desert? Well, at one time, this area was under the sea until the tectonic plates from the Pacific pushed this area up. And then for a long time, it was a lake. And what's near a lake? Trees. And then what happens? The area became very dry and arid, and the trees fell, and then silica particles got into the tree, covered it on the outside and into the grooves, and it actually maintained the appearance of a tree, even though it was then petrified. The same thing in the Petrified Forest National Park down in Arizona. It's hard to imagine that there were big trees in this area at one point in time. So this is somewhat of a downhill hike, which means you'll have to come uphill leaving. Now, see, some people took that way, of course, which is not the right way since they put the rocks up to mark the trail, but you know how people are. Same people that don't wear their masks when they are around people and within 6 feet. So this is the petrified log, and let's see what that looks like. So I was pretty close in my explanation. Now let's find these logs. There. You see that, which looks like an old piece of wood? It is actually petrified and more like a rock due to those silica deposits.